All right, so I'm back. I was just saying, this is something that, I can tell you right now, if you come looking for a recipe today, you may or you may not get it. But if you come looking for some Thai tips, Thai cooking uh, tricks, maybe there's something there. I don't know. I'm aimless. Usually, I will have a little board listing the topic and the subtopic of what I want to talk about. Water. But today, I'm gonna wing it. As you can see, let me turn my camera. My desk here is such a big mess. I want to show you this. This is, I don't even know what I call this. This is Tomyumgoong made simple. This is something that I made, and I can tell you now, I condensed from 96 page photo book into 36, and then from 36, my coaches convinced me to shrink it down even more. So this is just pure recipe, and I try so hard to add all the photos, and you can see, luckily, if you sign up for this, it is free, and you will get it in PDF format. The good thing about PDF is you see all these pictures here. You see how tiny. Oh, I don't know what they are. I can't get this. Why can't I get a big book? Well, PDF, you can expand it to your heart's content. You can see all the details there. And yeah, basically it's 6 pages, even though it says here 8 pages, but that includes the back cover and the front cover. 6 pages will be packed full of the recipe, how to. Now I said how to, not the know-how. There'll be some surprise after you sign up to get Tomyumgoong made simple recipe. Actually, I started out writing 4 recipes. There are 4 ways for cooking Tomyumgoong. Now, my way, I based my recipe from my great-grandmothers from 4 generation we're talking about, and my mom learned in such an unorthodox way. Yeah, I have to get this right one of these times, right? I'm still recording in this. Unbelievable. I am good. So it was unorthodox that my mom learned from my great grandmother, but I will get into that later. I she got a recipe, and she was basically the one who taught me how to cook. Well, I don't think she gave me everything she knew, because I didn't hang around her long enough, unfortunately. But the way she taught me would not be a typical way you learn from your grandmother or from your mother how to cook a certain dish. No, my mom never cooked for me. My mom never asked me to stand there with a pen and a paper watching her cook and try to imitate that from the recipe. She taught me differently, and it was unique in a way that it got me to become so thorough and so observant about, not just about cooking, Thai cooking, but about everything in life. Why is it so dark here? I always have this problem of it being dark. Okay. So I learn a different way, and it works. It has worked for me. And this is why, I mean, it's good, it's so good. And with that method, I cooked, since I didn't know what to do and didn't have any ingredient, until now, I know exactly what to do, especially when I don't have the correct kind, the original Thai ingredients. So it's not on here because this is just one Tomyumgoong, my great grandmother recipe, but it's in my teaching I am willing and wanting to transfer to you. No, not transfer, because transfer means I don't have a love. I still have it in me to share with you, to hand to you my know-how. And that's more important than the how-to. You should seek out a know-how. And the only way you get a know-how is you dive yourself in there and don't just get recipe and go, oh, I just follow what it says. Because, for example, if you follow anything I say, you can get so angry at me because I would say things in ratio. I would say things in portion. I never tell you exactly the measurements of anything at all. No, because that's for you to figure out. And that's how you learn. And that's the best way you learn. I also probably won't spend a lot of time in the kitchen cooking over the stove while trying to get in the frame of the video and talk. I'm not good at that. And I think that you will learn better if from time to time I bring over some clips, but probably without me talking, or if I talk, I would talk over it as I'm sitting here explaining to you. I think that's better. And that's really how I learned. My mom just had me stand over the stove. Well, first, if I wanted to cook something, she would tell me, to take her to the market with me, and I was so happy. I thought that she was gonna go shopping for the ingredients, but no, she didn't do that. She said, for example, if I wanted to cook, something as simple as tom yum, because we're talking Tomyumgoong, right? She said, so you think what goes into Tomyumgoong? I'm like, duh, goong, of course. Well, you want to know what goong is? Sign up and get a recipe. And she said, okay, what else? And I said, I don't know. So she said, okay, let's order tom yum goong. Luckily, we were in the market. Even though there were so many kind of street food that you can get from the market. No, it's not going to be Palatian. It's not going to be 5-star, high class, fine dining type of thing. But this is what people eat. So she ordered the tom yum goong for me. And immediately, I knew that it wasn't the kind of tom yum goong that she cooked. She said, try it anyway. So I did. And then she said, okay, what do you like about it? And I told her, what don't you like about it? And I told her. Then she said, what do you think is in there that makes you not like it? And she kept on asking me, feeding me with all these questions, to which I did my best to answer. And most of the times I was wrong, but my mom said, try it out. According to this in front of you, go shopping. And I was so ignorant because I was sent to America since I was 14. Despite my going back to visit at every chance I got, I didn't get down. Let's say that I wasn't, whatchamacall, with feet on the ground. There's a word for it, down to earth. I didn't have a chance because vacations would be too short. And I didn't get to do a lot of things that most people were doing. So I didn't know much. I would ignorantly ask her, so I don't know this, is this herb, right? What is it? And she just looked at me blank. She said, that's up to you to figure out. I said, Mom, I can't go shopping if I don't know what it is. Mom said, figure it out. And that was really how I learned. So I picked a piece of ingredient, greasy and fingers covered with all this oil and chili, whatever they use in it. And I ran to the vegetable vendor, the first one I found. I said, excuse me, could you please show me where this is? And they all would laugh at me. And that would be how I worked my way from Miss I know nothing to me today, cook like a Thai expert. And my expertise would be shared with you. I would teach you the most practical way how to cook Any Thai dishes? Well, you will get there, but we'll start with Tomyumgoong, which is not the hardest, not the easiest, simple enough. You can do this. So go to cooklikeathai.today / Tomyumgoong. Spell it. I will put the spelling there in the video or under the video. Tomyumgoong, and it has to be spelled correctly this way too. Made simple, or just simply click the link, and you will arrive at a page where you can just click the button and then fill in. Something will pop up and you fill in your information and just click send, and then you will get a thank you page, and then you send. You follow directions from there. Go to your email. You probably would have to confirm it until my system really knows that you're a real person. I mean, I'm gonna teach someone the authenticity in Thai cooking via Tomyumgoong made simple. I better make sure that the person receiving this gift from me is a real person, right? Fair? I think it is fair. So let's do that, and you gonna get emails from me one at a time, and each email will open door or will give you a little information so you can simply and easily follow. So let's cook Thai food like a Thai. Let's put the word Thai. Wow, the word Thai never left Thai food, but let's put back its meaning. The meaning that it had from the get-go. Thai food has to be Thai, and that's why I'm here, and you met me here because we want to connect so that you will cook like a Thai from the comfort of your own home, and you're gonna put Thai meals at a table, and it will be like bringing Thailand over to where you are. I'm serious. And you don't have to be Thai for this to happen. It can happen. Are you ready? Because only when you're ready, we can take this and just run with it. So, cook like a Thai today. Download the guide Tomyumgoong made simple right now. Don't wait. Don't wait, because you won't be able to get back in. You will have time, you will have life, all the busy schedule. Do it right now. Do it right now. Okay? All right. Thank you, and I'll see you whenever I see you. Oh no, I probably see you inside Tomyumgoong made simple recipe. Okay, you see me darting? Yeah, because my phone's still on. I thought I turned it off. Okay, I'm gonna turn this one off first. I only cook Thai food when you can cook like a Thai.